Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we have a very special kitchen video for you guys and a very special guest, the beautiful Chef Babette. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for having me.
You're amazing. She's almost 75 years young, living her best life. She went plant-based, I think around age 40, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And she's a chef and she's gonna show us one of the best, most easy raw vegan recipes out there. So I'm super stoked to try this. So let's get into it.
Okay, we're gonna have fun with this. We're making a raw chili. Now, and what I really want to emphasize is if you were deciding that you wanted cooked chili, you would replace one ingredient, which is our walnuts. You would replace the walnuts with your beans, okay? That's kind of what we're doing. Yep. So we're going to start off with your Jillian. You know what you gave me, this tomato.
Yeah, so this is a clean tomato sauce.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to add our tomato sauce. Jillian, can you get the water?
Yeah.
And pour a little water in this bowl. No, this bowl.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We're going to try to get as much of our sauce out. There you go.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, so basically, we're just going to have a good time with this right here. 'Cause all we're doing is throwing everything in the bowl.
Okay.
All right, so why don't you, I'd say let's start off with just a tablespoon of the Bragg's. I don't know if that's a tablespoon, but use your big spoon and see if that's about a tablespoon. There you go.
Okay, tablespoon
Okay,
Bragg's.
so we've got our Bragg's.
And which Bragg's is that?
This is the Bragg's liquid amino.
Okay.
It's not the coconut Bragg's. Okay, Jillian, you're going to start dumping, honey. Let's go ahead and put our walnuts in.
All the walnuts?
Let's put half.
Okay.
And I'll put the corn in.
So that's probably about a half a cup of walnuts, I would say, right?
And you had 2 ears of corn? Was it two?
Two cups of corn I cut.
Cups.
A lot of people think you can't eat corn raw, but it's one of my favorite things.
Oh, it's the best way to eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so delicious.
It's so crunchy and really good.
I'm sorry,
no, it's okay.
All right, so why don't you put the
garlic?
Garlic.
So how much garlic did you use here? So
go ahead. That's 3 small cloves of garlic. I'm going to put a pinch of cilantro in there.
Look at this.
A little bit more.
This looks good.
How about our sweet
peppers?
Okay. Yeah, so we'll get all the colors. Look at how pretty it is
So
already.
good. People think
why don't
raw
you
food
get
is
the green
boring.
onion, honey?
Yeah, okay.
Put that in.
And then how much green onion did you use?
Oh, I just used, didn't I say 2?
2.
I think I only sliced 2. We're going to use the cumin. So we're going to take 1 heaping spoon of cumin. If we need more, we'll add more. And how about the tomatoes, sweetie?
Tomatoes, okay.
And
that's 1 large tomato cut up.
This is 1 large tomato.
Diced up.
And we're going to take 2 pinches of our pumpkin seeds and your red onion. Put your red onion in.
This is 1 whole red onion? Okay. And see how fast this is? Raw food's really fast, right? I love that.
And we're going to take a spoon of our chili powder. I hope this is good.
It looks delicious.
I'm one of those chefs that I like to balance savory, sweet. So we're just going to put a squirt of agave in there. All right, let's mix it up. Jillian,
this looks delicious.
Does it look so good or what?
It looks so good. I'm really excited for this.
Oh my gosh.
This looks so good, Babette.
It really does.
You're a queen in the kitchen.
It really looks good.
It takes like 5 minutes, you know?
So that's what I love. Don't you love it?
I love it.
It's just quick, and let's get a little bit more of the water.
Okay.
Do you think the chef should taste it first?
Yeah,
because
I do.
What if it's not right?
I think it looks right.
It looks right, but
yeah.
Okay,
you can try it first. We can always play around, right? If it's not.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I gotta try this. Okay, you guys.
It's so good, you guys.
Okay, this looks delicious.
Oh my god.
Okay, and if somebody wanted to eat this cooked, they could or have a little bit more.
Okay, so say for instance you want.
Whoa,
I know.
Wow.
I know. If you wanted to warm it up a little bit, get your pot, but you make sure that you keep it on low and you don't reach temperatures over 115 degrees, and you still got your life in your food.
Okay.
It's delicious though.
10 out of 10. Before I went raw vegan, chili used to be one of my favorite things. I would go to Tim Hortons in Canada, get chili and a coffee and an orange juice.
Really?
This tastes exactly like chili.
Are you happy?
But so much healthier because so healthy, doesn't form mucus like a lot of fish would.
It's really good.
Oh wow, okay.
Seriously.
Seriously, 10 out of 10. I swear to God. Oh my god, good job. Oh my god, I'm gonna be making this like every day.
I'm eating it every day.
Okay, any other tips? Anything else?
Well, I already told them they could replace the walnuts with with the, what did we say? Beans.
With the, oh yeah, with the beans.
And
Yeah.
then you just boil it. You
Yeah.
just cook it.
Okay.
And you're done.
Wow.
So you got raw or cooked.
Okay, amazing.
Love you guys.
Okay.
And hey, if you wanted to put mushrooms in this, you could add mushrooms to give you more of a fleshy or meaty texture added to it. But other than that, seriously, you guys, it's really good.
Insane. Good job. 10 out of 10. Okay, before we end off, what's your number one tip for health for the viewers watching? Why should they make an effort to eat real healthy food?
Make an effort? Oh, because you want to be like 75-year-old Chef B.
Yeah.
That's why. Anyway.
Total goals. Okay, you guys, I hope this inspired you. Go make some raw living food. This is seriously 10 out of 10. I can't wait to literally stop the video so I can go eat a huge bowl of this. Make it. It tastes exactly like chili, but only better, actually. So, love you guys. We also...
And it's chunky.
Yeah, it is. We just did a what Chef Babette eats in a day video in the kitchen too. I'll put that on the screen right now and down below. You want to check it out. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.